Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in today's video we'll be unboxing the TSS Multipoint door handles lever movable pad with 92 and 70mm PZ 203mm screw centres. Like all TSS handles, these are supplied boxed with the individual components bagged. This is to avoid damage in transit, to avoid any unnecessary scratches or dents in the handle. Inside the box you will receive one accessory kit. This includes 2 removable spring cassettes, 2 sets of fixings, one long, one short, and 2 solid spindles. You'll also receive the handle set. These handles are available in silver, as you can see in the video, polished brass, polished chrome, black and white. The silver, polished brass and polished chrome are salt spray tested to 240 hours. All handles are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. I'll go over the handle measurements with you now. So we've got the internal lever side, which has a 235mm backplate by 32mm. Your screw centres are 203mm. Your PZ is 92mm. Top screw to centre of the spindle, that is 47mm, and then the base of the Euro cutout to the bottom screw, that is 40mm. The external side's got slightly different measurements. Same backplate measurements, same PZ and same screw centres. Your top screw to the centre of the Euro cutout on the external side is 70mm, and the base of the Euro cutout to the